This video provides a quick overview of the different AssetView data sources and then highlights the data and information provided by AssetView Connectors. The Qualys AssetView application collects its data and asset inventory information using one or more data collection technologies, including Qualys scanner appliances, Qualys virtual scanners, and Qualys cloud agents. This first group of technologies provide data that is used for both assessment and asset inventory purposes. When enabled for AssetView, connectors provide an additional stream of asset inventory data from your assets hosted by popular cloud providers, including Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. Although you'll find connectors for other Qualys applications, like Qualys CloudView and Qualys Asset Inventory, the focus of this video will be on connectors in Qualys AssetView. Connectors function independently of scans, providing inventory data from your assets hosted by a cloud provider. Please note that connectors for AssetView are not enabled for Qualys student trial accounts. The account I am presently using has AssetView connectors enabled for AWS and Azure. You can configure one or more AssetView connectors for your different AWS and Azure accounts. Connectors are designed to synchronize your cloud-based asset inventory at regular intervals, and can be configured to automatically add cloud assets to your subscription. This, of course, is an option and can be configured differently for each connector you create. Once you've created and properly configured a connector, you can use its Quick Actions menu to show the cloud-based assets it discovered or identified. Connectors can be configured to automatically assign tags that uniquely identify your cloud-based assets, like I've done here with the AWS EC2 tag. Any data collected by a connector becomes a part of the AssetView asset inventory and is searchable using AssetView Search. I'll modify this query to display AWS assets that are terminated. Use the Quick Actions menu of any asset to view its details. The connector by itself provides some asset summary information and vendor-specific metadata. With the deployment of Qualys virtual scanner appliances or agents to your AWS or Azure account, you can also receive open port and installed software information, vulnerabilities detected, threats associated with the detected vulnerabilities, file integrity events, indications of compromise, and alerts generated by other Qualys applications. The functionality of my Azure connector is very similar to what I've already demonstrated with AWS. The Quick Actions menu of the connector can be used to display my Azure assets. Notice that my Azure assets will be labeled with the Azure tag, which is part of my connector's configuration. An asset summary and vendor-specific metadata is available for all of my Azure assets, which can be queried using AssetView Search. Thank you for watching this Qualys training video.